Hey guys, what's up? It's Maritza and we are back with the Halloween videos. Today we're doing The Nun. So if you want to see how I did this look, just keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so I'm starting out by painting my entire face white with white body paint. This is from Mehron Makeup Paradise Paints. And I'm also bringing the white down my chest for the nun outfit and painting the rest of the chest black. I'm sketching out where I want the mouth to be and also putting in the teeth. So I'm just starting at the top line that I drew, going down from there, and I'm also connecting it to my bottom lip to make it look extra long. Do the same with the bottom teeth as well. Once I have all my teeth placed, I am putting in some gums with some red body paint and I'm like rounding out the tops of the teeth. Then using black, I am outlining each teeth and filling in all the extra space in the mouth so it's blacked out. I also outlined the entire mouth with black. For the eyes, I start out by putting down a cream base. I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in black, and I'm putting it on my eyelid and underneath my eye as well. And then I take some black eyeshadow and put that on top of the cream, just so the cream is gonna help it, like, the shadow stick better and have like more opaqueness. So I'm just packing eyeshadow on top of the cream pencil and blending it out. I'm blending up all the way up into my eyebrow. I'm also shadowing around my mouth as well with some black eyeshadow. So the nun has a very pointy, creepy, scary looking nose, so we're contouring our nose extra dramatic, going all the way down to the tip of the nose and also contouring on the sides of the nose to make it appear more bigger on the sides. I put in some angry eyebrow lines in between the eyebrows. So she has some very sunken in cheekbones as well, so I am going ham on the contour, doing a sharp contour line and shading underneath of that line. Since we have a big open mouth, we're gonna need some smile lines, so I'm just shading some smile lines in, going from the top of the mouth into the sides of my nose. I'm also putting some wrinkles in the forehead. And since I don't have a costume, I'm painting in a black line across my forehead. This is gonna be that white cap that they wear, and I'm gonna put some shading underneath of that line to make it look like that cap is sitting on top of the skin and not a part of it. And she has a couple scarrings on her face, so I'm just shadowing in some scars. Going back to the teeth, I'm putting in some coloring so they're not just perfect white teeth. I'm taking yellow eyeshadow and putting some on the base of the teeth, like where the teeth are coming out of the gums. That's where I'm putting the yellow, and I also put a little bit of brown on top of the yellow as well. Taking some white paint, I put in some highlights in the mouth to make it look a little bit glossy and wet looking. So I'm just putting it in random places where the red is, and also a little bit in the black areas on the side. Can't forget her necklace. I put in some contact lenses from Contact Lens Hub. I use contacts from them all the time, and I do have a discount code. It's Maritza for 20% off. They're really affordable already, and you can get another 20% off. So I'm putting some shadowing in my neck to dirty the costume up a little bit. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Halloween tutorials. And thank you so much for watching. If you do recreate any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram so I can see it and I can like it. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!